Just steps off the Superstition Mountain. We are here at our 3-bed, 2-bath condo in Gold Canyon. This lovely unit has been fully remodeled with all new plank flooring that carries throughout, large 4-inch baseboards, upgraded recessed lighting, all new kitchen featuring new granite countertops, new cabinets, all new stainless steel appliances. Just on our left, we have the primary bedroom. Again, with the recessed lighting, the plank flooring, all new blinds. This room features a lovely walk-in closet with extra storage. The primary bathroom with new shower, new vanity, upgraded light fixtures with the recessed lighting as well, and additional storage cabinets. Again, across the hall, we have 2 bedrooms. The front bedroom features, again, the same recessed lighting, plank flooring, along with the new blinds and a side-by-side closet. Again, back into that lovely refinished kitchen. Into the second primary bedroom, you have the recessed lighting, the plank flooring. The secondary bedroom also has a walk-in closet as well with built-in storage. And then you have a secondary bathroom with, again, new shower, toilet, and vanity. Just off the kitchen out to the back, you have a screened door, your storage room with water heater, and off onto our right is the private laundry room, again with the same plank flooring throughout, and additional storage and included washer and dryer. For more information on this unit, visit our website at rpmphoenixvalley.com for information and pricing. Thank you.